Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Nice 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home close to the back gate of Camp Lejeune. Large eat-in kitchen. Living room with fireplace. House wired for surround sound. Security system available, tenant to pay. Large deck overlook large backyard. Privacy fence, pet fence, and pet house. Spacious garage with storage area and laundry area. Covered from entryway porch. Dogs are negotiable, no dangerous breeds mixes. No cats.